but blower motor resistor ignition is on. One, two, three, nothing. Only 4 works. So what I'm going to do, I got good blower motor resistor, and I'm going to remove the bad one. So there is some foam, 2 screws, another screw is missing. Out. You can see here connector. So I'm gonna remove connector. Just press here and pull it. Stay the same. They look the same. Okay, we can connector. Oh yeah, this one is working. Definitely. Sparks down there. Connector. Yeah. Back. Place. We can try now. Ignition is on. Huh? It is working. So we have all 4 now. This is the bad one, so we can put the foam back, screws, and we are done. Thanks for watching me. Bye.